Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. Today we're taking you on a journey to the top 3 best countries to visit in the world. Pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. New Zealand, often celebrated as a land of breathtaking natural beauty, is a paradise for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Nestled in the southwestern Pacific Ocean, this island nation boasts stunning landscapes that range from the dramatic fjords of Milford Sound to the serene beaches of the Coromandel Peninsula. The country's diverse terrain includes towering mountains, lush forests, and sparkling lakes, making it a haven for outdoor activities such as hiking, skiing, and bungee jumping. Moreover, New Zealand is home to unique wildlife, including the iconic kiwi bird, which symbolizes the nation's rich biodiversity and commitment to conservation. Beyond its natural wonders, New Zealand offers a vibrant cultural experience steeped in Maori heritage and contemporary arts. The Maori culture is integral to the nation's identity, with traditions and customs that date back centuries. Visitors can immerse themselves in Maori culture through performances, art, and traditional ceremonies. In its cities like Auckland and Wellington, travelers will find a dynamic blend of modernity and tradition, with thriving food scenes, innovative art galleries, and bustling markets. New Zealand's friendly locals, known for their warm hospitality, add to the charm, making it a top destination for those seeking both adventure and cultural enrichment. Italy, a country synonymous with romance, history, and unparalleled cuisine, captivates visitors with its rich cultural tapestry and stunning landscapes. From the ancient ruins of Rome, where the Colosseum and the Roman Forum echo the grandeur of a bygone era, to the enchanting canals of Venice, Italy is a treasure trove of historical wonders. The Renaissance city of Florence, with its exquisite art and architecture, and the fashion capital Milan, pulsating with contemporary style and design, showcase the country's diverse charm. Italy's countryside, adorned with rolling vineyards, olive groves, and charming villages, provides a serene backdrop to the hustle and bustle of its iconic cities. Beyond its historical and scenic allure, Italy is a haven for culinary enthusiasts. Each region offers its own unique flavors and dishes, from the rich, hearty pastas of Emilia-Romagna to the fresh, seafood-laden fare of the Amalfi Coast. Indulge in world-renowned wines, artisanal cheeses, and mouth-watering gelato as you explore the country's culinary landscape. Italy's warm and welcoming people, passionate about their traditions and lifestyle, enhance the experience, making every visitor feel at home. Whether you're savoring a leisurely meal in a Tuscan farmhouse, strolling through the art-filled streets of Florence, or enjoying a gondola ride in Venice, Italy promises an unforgettable journey through its heart and soul. Japan, an exquisite blend of ancient traditions and cutting-edge modernity, offers a unique and captivating experience for travelers. From the serene temples and meticulously maintained gardens of Kyoto, where history whispers through every stone, to the vibrant, neon-lit streets of Tokyo, Japan's contrasts are both harmonious and thrilling. The country is renowned for its seasonal beauty, from the cherry blossoms of spring that paint the landscapes in delicate pinks to the fiery hues of autumn leaves. The majestic Mount Fuji, a symbol of natural splendor and cultural significance, beckons adventurers and photographers alike. Japanese culture is deeply rooted in respect, precision, and an appreciation for beauty and simplicity. This ethos is reflected in everything from the elegant tea ceremonies to the meticulous preparation of sushi, where each piece is crafted with care and expertise. Beyond its culinary delights, Japan offers an array of experiences, from soaking in a traditional onsen hot spring to attending a sumo wrestling match. The people of Japan, known for their politeness and hospitality, welcome visitors with a warmth that enhances every journey. Whether exploring the ancient shrines, indulging in the vibrant culinary scene, or marveling at the technological wonders, Japan promises an enchanting adventure that stays with you long after you've left its shores. From the vibrant cities of Japan, the historic charm of Italy, to the natural wonders of New Zealand, these 3 countries offer unforgettable experiences for every traveler. So where will your next adventure take you? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Happy travels.